Hello everyone, so today we are going to start a new topic from the circle, and that is the point inside, outside, or on the circle. Okay, so let's just start with this, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do and hit the like button if you like this tutorial. So let's just start. Now we are going to talk about if the point is given and we have to identify whether it is inside, outside, or on the circle. Suppose this is a circle and there is a one point, and we can say that this point is outside the circle. Let's say another point, this point is on the circle, and if there is a point inside, that is called point inside the circle. So circle equation can be given in these forms, whichever likes. This one is the general, this one is the standard one, and this is also the second general equation of the circle. And always remember, these two equation is always derived from this type of equation. Okay, so now if I want to find, if the point is given, let's say 1, 2, and I want to find whether it is inside or outside the circle. So what we have to do, you have to check the left hand side. Okay, put this value x equal to 1 and y equal to 2, and if left hand side LHS is greater than RHS, okay, then this is the condition for outside. Okay, now if you're putting x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2, and this equation becomes this, which means left hand side is equal to right hand side. If LHS is equal to RHS, then the point is on the circle, and if LHS is less than RHS, then point is inside the circle. Okay, so we will try these with some of the examples. Okay, so let us start with the one example. Now I have to find that whether this point is inside or outside the circle. Okay, so let's do that. Now the point, you have to justify this point is inside or outside the circle. So what I will do, I will put x is equal to 3 and y equal to -2 to the left hand side. Okay, so x is equal to 3, so 3 square plus -2 whole square. Okay, so what you will get here, you will get 9, and here you will get 4, and that is equal to 13. So in this case 13 is equal to 13. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this point is on the circle, Okay, hope that clear to you. Now we are going to do another example. Okay, in this question, let's justify that if the point 10, 7 is on, inside, or outside the circle. So I will put x is equal to 10. So you will put x is 10 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square. So we are just trying to solve LHS. Okay, so this will become 7 square and this will become 5 square. So 7 square is, I think, 49, and this one is 25. So 49 plus 25, it should be 74 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so obviously LHS is greater than RHS. So what is this condition? If we'll check, if we'll check here, this condition is for point is outside the circle. Okay, so if this is greater than right hand side, the point is outside the circle. Now let's take one more example. Let's do for this one. Put x is equal to -1 and y equal to 5 and check whether you're getting LHS greater than or lesser than RHS. Okay, and RHS is 0. So let's put -1 whole square plus 5 square plus 4 -1 minus 6 times 5 minus 25. Okay, we are going to check. This will give you 1, this will give you 25, this will give you -4, this will give you -30, this will give you -25. Okay, this will give you 26, and this, if you use the calculator and you will try to find it, you will get here -59. Okay, so if you subtract 26 minus 59, hopefully you will get, let me check once again. So 26 minus 59 is your -33, and we know that this is your LHS and your RHS is 0. So LHS is lesser than 0. I'm writing here again, LHS is lesser than RHS, so the point is inside the circle. Okay, hope that's clear to you. So I have taken an example for all the three conditions: inside, outside, and on the circle. If your LHS is greater than RHS outside, if LHS is equal to RHS on the circle, and if LHS is lesser than RHS, which is this condition, so in that the point is inside the circle. Okay, let's take one more example, and it will be different example. Now in this question, the circle C has the equation. Okay, so the equation of the circle is given, and this point lies on the circle. Okay, which means that if you put into this equation, your LHS should be equal to RHS. Find the two values of K. So we know that they are saying the point lies on the circle, which means that if this is circle, the point, this is the point, -4 comma K is on the circle. So in that condition, your LHS should be equal to RHS. Okay, now I'm going to put this into this equation. X is equal to -4. I'm going to put x is equal to -4 and y equal to K. Okay, so if we put -4 square, this will become K square, this will become 2 -4 plus 2K minus 32. And if you try to solve this, you'll get here 16 plus K square minus 8 plus 2K minus 32 equal to 0. We'll try to simplify this one, and if you simplify, first write K square, then 16, this will become let's write this one 2K, and 16 minus 8, so 16 minus 8 minus 32, that will give you -24. This is -24 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this now this is the quadratic equation, and we have to solve this quadratic equation. So if it is possible to factorize, you can factorize, or you can use -b formula directly, and you will get the values of K, and there should be two values of K. Okay, so let me check how I can solve this one easily. Now, so factor of 24 is 6 minus 6 and 4, or -4 and 6, and we need plus 2K, so it will be K, this condition, K minus 4 and K plus 6 is equal to 0, which means either this is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, k minus 4 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 4. And if k plus 6 is equal to 0, then k is equal to minus 6. So two values of k's are minus 6 and plus 4. Okay, so hope that's clear to you. Here we are just trying to verify LHS is equal to RHS, and we got our answer. Okay, so this tutorial is all about finding or verifying a point, which is if it is inside, outside, or on the circle. Hope that's clear to you, and if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Then enjoy. Bye.